Google just released Gemini Omni Flash, and it changes how video editing works for anyone selling social media services. You talk to it, it makes the edit. You see the result, you talk to it again. It adjusts only what you asked for. Everything else stays locked. No timeline, no software subscription, no rebuilding the entire clip from scratch every time you want to change one frame. And at the very end of this video, I am going to show you the exact prompt structure that turns the 3-edit limit into an advantage instead of a problem. You are going to want that piece. I am Paul James. I help solo operators use AI tools to make money. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the full system for turning tools like this one into actual client income, my AI Toll Booth course is linked in the description, normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $40. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Most video editing platforms lock you into a monthly subscription before you have made your first dollar on the service. Adobe Creative Cloud runs around $23 a month just to access Premiere Pro. Runway ML charges anywhere from $12 to $28 a month, depending on the plan. You are paying that whether you landed a client this month or not. That is the subscription tax, and it hits hardest when you are just starting out. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $20 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Omni Flash matter. Google built this to run entirely on conversation. You do not need the editing software. You need a prompt and a few seconds. I call this the Conversational Render Loop. Instead of generating a full video, waiting, seeing the result, scrapping it if something is wrong, and regenerating from scratch, you generate once, then edit iteratively. The model remembers what you asked for last time. It only changes what you specify in the new prompt. Everything else stays consistent. Same character, same background, same lighting, same object placement. You are not starting over, you are refining, and that changes the speed at which someone with no editing experience can produce client-ready video content. Here is how it actually works. Omni Flash lives inside YouTube platforms, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Create app, and Google Flow. It is free to use there right now. You can also access it through the Gemini API and Google AI Studio if you want to build it into a larger workflow. The model accepts multimodal inputs. That means you can feed it text, an image, and video all at the same time. You describe what you want, you upload a reference photo, you drop in a clip, it synthesizes all three into the output, and then you talk to it again to adjust. The conversation memory holds for 3 consecutive edits before the context starts to degrade. That is your window. 3 turns to get the clip dialed in. Most people treat that like a limitation. It is actually a forcing function. It makes you think through what you need before you start. Think about what this means for someone offering social media content creation to local businesses. A coffee shop wants 5 short-form videos for Instagram this month. You do not have a camera crew. You do not have editing software. You have Omni Flash. You generate the first version using a product photo they sent you and a text prompt describing the vibe they want. 10 seconds, done. You preview it. The text overlay timing is off. You tell the model to sync the text, reveal to the moment the coffee pours. Second version renders in another 10 seconds. Everything else, the product, the background, the lighting, stayed identical. You show the client. They want the logo bigger. Third edit, bigger logo, same scene, same consistency. 3 turns. 5 videos built in under an hour. That used to be a full day of work inside traditional editing software, and you would still be paying for that software whether the client paid you or not. With this stack, the tool costs $0 to run. Let's keep building. The model also pulls from Gemini's grounded knowledge base. That means when you ask it to show accurate historical elements or realistic physics, it draws from Google's understanding of how the real world works. You are not getting hallucinated nonsense. You are getting representations that actually hold up in client deliverables. It produces clips around 10 seconds long right now. Longer durations are coming. You can output in landscape or vertical format depending on where the content is going. And the pricing for API access matches existing fast video models, which means even when you scale past the free tier, the cost per clip stays negligible compared to what you would pay monthly for editing software. Now, here's the thing. That workflow I just showed you works, but there is a version of it that runs faster, and almost nobody sets it up this way. The 3 edit limit breaks most people's flow because they treat each conversation turn like a separate thought. They ask for one thing, wait, ask for another, wait. By the 3rd turn, they realize they forgot something critical and the context window just closed. The paid platforms handle iteration differently. They let you stack unlimited changes because you are inside a timeline. Here is how you get that same control for free without hitting the limit. Someone running social media services for 3 or 4 local clients can build an entire month of content in a weekend using this stack. Let's say you are managing a gym's Instagram account. They need motivational clips, class previews, and member testimonials. You take their existing photos and short video snippets they have been sitting on. You run each one through Omni Flash with a structured 3-turn prompt. First turn, generate the base scene with the branding and the message. Second turn, adjust timing, text placement, and any visual pacing issues. Third turn, final polish, color tone, logo size, or audio sync if you added a voiceover layer. You deliver 15 clips in 2 hours. Most social media management tools would charge you monthly just to schedule those posts. Here you built the content itself for free, and you are charging the client a retainer for the full package. That is a $400 monthly retainer on 0 software overhead. The capability that used to live inside platforms like Adobe Premiere or even AI video tools like Runway now runs on a free conversational interface. Your version costs nothing. And listen, if you have not already grabbed the AI Tollbooth course, it is linked in the description below. Under $40 for viewers instead of $197. That price is not staying there forever. If you want the full breakdown of how I am using stacks like this one to generate income without the subscription tax, grab it now. Drop a comment and let me know if you are in. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture a freelancer who had never touched video editing software before this week. She offers social media content creation as a service to local restaurants. She finds a client who wants short recipe teasers for their TikTok account. They send her product photos of their dishes and a rough idea of the vibe they want. Energetic, fast-paced, appetizing. She opens YouTube Create. She uploads the first photo. She writes the prompt. Show this dish being plated in a bright commercial kitchen. Fast cuts, upbeat energy, 10 seconds. Omni Flash generates it. The plating motion is too slow, she tells it. Speed up the plating sequence and add a quick zoom on the garnish. Same dish, same kitchen, same lighting, just faster pacing. Second render, done. Client loves it but wants their logo in the corner. Third turn, add the restaurant logo in the bottom right, subtle, stays visible the whole time. Final version renders, she delivers. 3 turns, 1 clip, 15 minutes total. She charges $200 for 5 of these. The tool cost her nothing. The client has no idea she had never done this before last Tuesday. That is the leverage. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The 3 edit limit only becomes a problem if you treat each turn like a separate random request. The way you beat it is by structuring your 3 turns as phases before you even start. Phase 1, foundational build. Generate the full scene with all the core elements. Character setting, action, branding, rough text placement. Do not worry about polish. Just get the structure right. Phase 2, timing and pacing. Adjust only the elements that move or reveal. Text sync, motion speed, action beats, everything visual stays locked. Phase 3, final polish. Logo size, color grading, 1 last text tweak, that is it. 3 turns, structured, no wasted edits, no running out of context halfway through a thought. You plan the build before you touch the model. Most people do not do that. They improvise, they burn through the edit window, fixing things they could have specified in the first prompt. You do not have that problem anymore. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You are not paying for editing software. You are not spending hours inside timelines learning keyframes. You open a conversation, you describe what the client needs, you generate, you refine twice, you deliver. Every local business that wants short form content becomes a prospect. Every product photo they have been sitting on becomes a video asset you can monetize. You are running social media content creation as a service with 0 software overhead and a 15-minute turnaround per clip. That is the future state. The subscription stack is not required anymore. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.